Hey guys, so today I'm showing you how to make this super easy baked fish recipe. I'm using catfish fillet. You can use your favorite type of fish, okay? It's really easy to make, so let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I did was wash the catfish, and now I'm going to pat dry it using clean paper towel to remove that extra water from the fish. So once I pat dry them, I'm placing them straight into my greased baking dish, okay? So I lightly grease the casserole dish with a little bit of oil. That's gonna prevent the fish from sticking to the dish, okay? So these are the seasonings I'm using to season the fish: paprika, black pepper, Tony's Cajun seasoning, and also some roasted garlic and herb seasoning. I'm not adding any salt because the Cajun and garlic and herb seasoning has salt already, okay? So next I'm going to take some oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. You can use olive oil, whatever you have on hand, and I'm going to lightly drizzle each of the fish fillet with a little bit of oil. That'll help the seasonings to stick really well to the fish once we add it, okay? So I add the oil, and next I'm gonna start seasoning up the fish really well, you guys. So I just sprinkle a little bit of each of the seasonings on both sides, okay? So you want to do that first side, then flip it to the other side. Just be careful with the seasonings that have salt, because you don't want to add too much of that to make the fish extra salty. So next I'm gonna drizzle in a little bit of lemon juice. I'm using freshly squeezed lemon juice. I use about half of a lemon. I just squeeze it in my little bowl, and I'm gonna drizzle it on top of the fish, okay? Next I'm gonna add about half a tablespoon to a tablespoon of butter on each of the fish. You can use half a tablespoon if you don't want to use too much butter, because you only need just a tiny bit of butter on each piece of the fish, okay? So you can totally add less than I did. So after I do that, you guys, I'm gonna use this right here, crispy fried onions. Thanks to my dear friend Rashida, I saw her using that in some of her recipes, and oh my god, I love this so much, you guys. So she added it on top of fish, and it was so good. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that, about a tablespoon on each. You could add more. I probably added a little bit more than a tablespoon because I really love onions, and this tastes so good. So yes, you guys, add as much as you like, 1 to 2 tablespoons on each of the fish fillet. And then now I'm gonna preheat my oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's preheated, you're gonna place this fish into the oven, you guys, and let it bake for about 20 minutes, 25 the most, I would say, because fish doesn't take long to cook at all. 15 to 20 minutes and your fish will be cooked. All right, so I left mine for about 20 minutes, and when it comes out, it's gonna be looking something like this, and it looks absolutely delicious. It tastes so good. It was amazing, okay? Such a simple and easy recipe to make. It's very easy to make, and it's absolutely delicious. I served mine with some white rice mixed with vegetables. I put a little bit of butter in the rice, and it was amazing. I didn't add the recipe for the rice in here, but if you guys want it, of course, just let me know and I'll upload it. But yes, you guys, when the fish is finished, it's gonna look something like this. So good. And a little bit of sauce in the pan is amazing as well. And yeah, I just love how this fish tastes, how it came out. Perfect. Amazing. So like I said, I served it with some rice and some steamed green beans, and enjoyed. Everyone enjoyed it, loved it. You can make this recipe using catfish, tilapia, flounder, whatever type of fish you would like to bake, okay? So to garnish it in the end, I added a few lemon slices just for garnishing, and I sprinkled it with a little bit of fresh cilantro chopped up. You could also use fresh parsley, and that was it, you guys. That is it for this recipe. So you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see all of my upcoming videos. I appreciate all of the likes, all of the subscription. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you give this recipe a try, let me know if you enjoyed it and how it turned out. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.